Imagine pouring your heart and soul into creating your children's book only to watch it sink without a trace upon publishing. And this is actually a common fate many independent authors suffer. This is why you need to implement a proper launch strategy. This should begin no less than 2 or 3 weeks before you publish your book. A launch strategy is not just about getting your book out there, it's about making sure it's seen, bought, and reviewed. It's about triggering Amazon's algorithm, which will boost your book's visibility and ultimately sales. If done right, a well-crafted launch strategy can skyrocket your book to success. So let's dive into the process. This is the time when you want to lay down the groundwork. Facebook and Instagram are excellent platforms to start creating hype and awareness about your upcoming book. But it's not just about creating a buzz, it's also about encouraging reviews. Think of your friends, family, associates, colleagues, anyone in your social circles, really. They are your first readers, your first reviewers. You want to encourage everyone to purchase your free book when it's released and hopefully give you a positive review. You can also join relevant Facebook groups and share snippets, quotes, cover reveals, etc. here. Okay, so let's talk about the importance of an email list. Now you're probably thinking, what email list? Or this is starting to sound like a lot of work. And yes, it does involve some effort, but the payoff is well worth it. In the world of book publishing, an email list is your direct line of communication with your readers. It's an opportunity for you to share updates, provide exclusive content, and offer discounts, but most importantly, it's a way to build a loyal community of readers who are interested in your work and eager to support you. So how do you build an email list? Well, you want to include a sign-up link in all your social media posts. This link should direct readers to a sign-up page where they can enter their email address. Here's an example of an invite for people to sign up. Feel free to use this as you like. So to leave a proper link, you're going to first need to build a landing page or a sign-up page. And don't worry, there are plenty of free web page builders out there that make this process super easy. And I'll leave links in the description to a couple options that are completely free and simple to use. Your landing page should be clean and engaging yet simple. Avoid cluttering it with too many elements. The focus should be on the sign-up form. Make it engaging by highlighting what your subscribers will gain. A sneak peek into your upcoming book, writing tips, or exclusive discounts can be quite enticing. Remember, the goal here is to grow your email list. You want to capture as many email addresses as possible from people genuinely interested in your work. This is not about quantity, but quality. A smaller, engaged list is better than a larger, disinterested one. Now, if you want to speed things up and you have a bit of money to invest in your book, you might want to consider a site like Booksprout. Their growing author plan is only $9 a month, and this is a quick and efficient way to generate those important early reviews. These reviews are essential for building buzz around your book and attracting more readers. So how does it work? Well, you just upload your manuscript to Booksprout and they'll give you a unique link that you can share in all your social media posts and emails. This link lets people download an advanced reader copy, or ARC, for free. This site simplifies the whole process of coordinating ARCs, managing interested readers, and following up for reviews. This is a cost-effective, efficient way to kickstart the review collection process. These are real, unbiased reviews from people who love books just as much as you do. And these reviews are the lifeblood of your book's success on Amazon. They'll not only trigger Amazon's algorithm boosting visibility, but they'll also instill trust in potential readers. This is a game changer for getting reviews on your first few books. Now, just implementing these strategies alone will greatly enhance your book's chance of success upon launch. But again, if you have a little extra money and you want to take things to the next level, then you can implement these strategies. So let's talk about the launch phase. So with this paid method, you could potentially eliminate the entire social media aspect of your pre-launch phase. That being said, best practice would be to incorporate all these methods combined. And please don't hesitate to ask in the comments if you're stuck on anything we've covered, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay, the first thing I need to mention for this portion of the method to work, you will need to publish your book as an ebook as well as a paperback. And you'll also need to enroll this ebook in KDP Select. Once enrolled, you'll be allowed to run a free book promotion, pricing your book at $0 for up to 5 days within a 90-day period. Okay, now that you have everything in place and you're ready to publish your book, you want to head to this site called FreeBooksy. Here you can buy a review campaign for a children's book for as low as $45. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I've personally seen thousands of downloads and reviews at this price point. Well worth the investment. And for this to work, you need to match the days of your free promo on Amazon to the campaign days here in FreeBooksy. And now that your book is live, you want to start promoting heavily. Follow up with everyone on your social media and through your email lists. Only now in all of your posts and emails, you want to include a direct link to your free ebook on Amazon, as well as a direct link to your book's review page. And a couple of important things to consider when creating these links. One is Amazon doesn't like reviews that are associated with your account, so this link needs to be clean. And you also need to consider you're catering to a global audience, so these links should lead them to their respective countries' Amazon stores. To get this done easily, you can use a free site called Booklinker. To use this site, you simply grab your link directly from your listing on Amazon, bring it here, and this will convert it to a universal link. Then you repeat the process with your review page link. Now, no matter what country they're in, when they click on the link, they'll be directed to the proper store. And to be sure your link is clean and not associated with your account, be sure to only include these portions of the URL when converting. So now once you have 5 or 10 reviews roll in, feel free to start with an Amazon ads campaign. Then just let these ads run for a week or so, gathering data. Then moving into week 2, after you launch, you can go ahead and switch your ebook to a 99-cent promotion by updating the price and KDP. Then you want to again email your list and post to your socials letting people know that your ebook price will be going up soon. Create some urgency and incentive for them to buy at a discount while they can. Now for the critical weeks 3 and 4 of your launch. You want to save at least one of your free promo days for here in week 3 or 4. And if you can, run another review campaign day through Free Booksy. This will sustain sales momentum, building week after week. Around the end of week 3, raise your book price on KDP back to $2.99 or $4.99. Whatever you feel is best, and go ahead and end the launch discount. Now you need to dig into your Amazon ads data. Raise bids on winning keywords, pause poor performers, really start optimizing based on your data here. And for anyone brand new to Amazon ads, here's a quick overview. First, it's crucial that you understand and track key metrics for your ads. The main ones to pay attention to are impressions, clicks, click-through rate or CTR, cost per click, spend, orders, sales, and ACoS, advertising cost of sales. By tracking these, you can identify trends and optimize your strategies. You can use campaign reports and segmentation to break things down by keyword, match type, page type, and more. This helps you identify what is and is not working for you. And here's an example of what a product campaign might look like. Feel free to look this over to better understand how to analyze your data. Now you want to optimize your bids to hit that profitability sweet spot. Start with automatic bidding for the first week to gather data. And once you have sufficient data, then you want to switch to manual control. Then bid just enough to get the volume of impressions and clicks you want without overspending. Also be sure to factor in your profit margins on each sale when setting your bids. If your click-through rate or conversion rate drops, reduce your bids. If metrics improve, you can try to increase your bids. Optimizing Amazon ads takes patience, regular testing, tracking data to improve performance. Patiently monitoring, testing, and refining your Amazon ad efforts can help your books organically build momentum, leading to long-term high rankings, discoverability, and massive sales. And there you have it, my system for a successful book launch on Amazon. Please let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to smash that like button for me if you found some value in the video. Thank you, and be blessed.